Hello guys, my name is Dennis and today we're gonna check navigating Autopilot on a busy highway. I think you can see right now that we're gonna stay in the traffic. Okay, when I'm gonna move into the traffic, I'm gonna turn on the navigating Autopilot. Okay, and now we are on the Bell Parkway, and now I'm gonna double tap here, over here, and it's gonna start doing navigating Autopilot. 1, 2, and we're good. And now we are navigating Autopilot. I take off my hands from the wheel, the hands are here, and yeah, we're gonna see how it's gonna be. If there's gonna be any interruptions, I'm gonna let you know. Okay, let's go. And now that you could see, it asked me to put my hands on the wheel, but I down the music, and it's working this way too. And today we're gonna go from Brooklyn to Staten Island. Now we are going on the Verrazano Bridge. Let's go. And for some reason, Navigate and Autopilot wants me to take this exit and then again merge to the highway. I don't know why. It didn't make sense for me. Now I'm turning on the Navigate and Autopilot again because it disengaged that. Because it's a strange move. I don't know why we need that move. Okay, anyway, we still driving. We still good. And now let's see how Tesla gonna perform that move. Yeah, very nice. The car was trying to merge in our lines. Tesla make it past that car. I mean, Tesla allowed this car to move to my lane. Perfect job. We still going to Staten Island. And now Tesla wants to move to the middle lane. Let's see how this car gonna do that. Because it's a traffic. Wow, it's make a perfect move here. A little bit fast, but perfect. Let's drive. And today it's super foggy outside. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but like the visibility, I think I can be able to see the Verrazano Bridge. I will check that later. And we're still going to navigate on Autopilot. Navigating Autopilot, doing great job. Still, let's go. Let's see what's gonna be next. And yes, we're still staying in the traffic. I don't know what's happened here, but yeah, I think everybody just going to the Verrazano Bridge because we're going in rush hours. It's 6 p.m., almost 6 p.m. Okay, let's go. And now that you can see the car wants to merge into our line, and the Tesla did a great job. It's let the car doing that move. Perfect. Love the Tesla navigating Autopilot. It's a perfect options to get. And now you can see the car wants to move to the middle lane, but so far it's making the great job. Nice, it did it. And now, like you can see, the car wants to move again to the right-left line. I don't know why it's doing that, because after the Arizona we should take the exit. But anyway, we'll see what it's gonna be. And now I'm gonna turn off the navigating autopilot because I need to go to the Lily Pond Avenue. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that because Tesla wants to move to the middle lane right now. Let's see how it's gonna do. Let's see how it's gonna perform that task. Let's check. For now, it's still looking for the. And now it did a great job. It moves to the middle lane. Perfect. Again, it wants to move to the. No, I'm not gonna cancel that because it wants to move to the left lane again. And again, it wants to move to the left lane. I don't know what's going on. Again, it wants to move to the left lane, and I cancel that because, like you see on the map, I need to be in the first 3 lanes. Let's see what is showing me. 01 mile, Lily Pond Avenue. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna cancel the navigating autopilot and I'm gonna move by myself. I'm gonna merge the lane right now because we need to take that exit. The 15S, I think so. Maybe I'm not. No, we don't have to take that exit. Sorry. Okay, now I understand why the Tesla wants to move to the left lane, because we gotta turn left here. Okay, anyway, we're still going. And yes, guys, that you can see, that's how the navigating autopilot perform. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, add some comments if you want. Yeah, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye.